Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to attach a Google Doc to an email. This is useful when you need to send a document to someone who doesn't maybe use Google Docs, wants an offline copy, or requires a specific file format like PDF or Word for official submissions. So this is pretty straightforward, and the first way what you can do, you can click on this share icon. In the general access you can choose anyone with the link. Now next to it, where is viewer, you can click on this and you can choose role, which is everybody with the link going to have. So they can either be just viewers, commenters, or they can also edit a file if you want. So let's make only viewers, then click on copy link. And the first way is you can just basically paste this link in your Gmail. Another way what you can do is click on done, okay, and you can click on file, download, and you can download this as Microsoft Word file or PDF. So let's say we can try PDF. Now I can go back here, I can click on this attach files icon, and I can basically find my document. So this is my PDF, I'm gonna open it, and now this is the Google Docs file as a PDF format. Or you can also do same with Word, so you can convert it to Word and you can then paste it here. Or you can also upload your files directly from Google Drive, because everything you do in Google Docs is stored in the Drive. So you can find here all of your documents. So I can choose, let's say, I don't know, this one, add as a link, and you can see it's going to be embedded like this. So you can see this file here, you can click on this and it's going to redirect you to the file directly. If this is not working, you want to try to switch this access to anyone with the link, and then it should be working. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.